Hey everyone, welcome back to the Learn Well Library YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform any text prompt into a fully developed, ready-to-publish video using Invideo AI. Whether it's for YouTube, Instagram, or any other platform, this tool will help you create professional videos in just a few minutes without needing any prior video editing skills. In this tutorial, I'll cover everything from creating videos using simple prompts to using advanced features like voice cloning, language translation, and more. And stick around until the end because I'll also reveal how to monetize these AI-generated videos on YouTube. Let's dive in. To get started, visit Invideo AI's website and sign up for a free plan. I'll leave a link in the description below. Now that everything is set up, let's create our first video. Start by typing in your prompt, for example. Create a 2-minute video about why Amsterdam is the best city in Europe, with a male voiceover, a humorous intro, and some cultural facts. From here, the AI will ask a few follow-up questions about the target audience, the style of the video, and the platform you're creating for. For this example, let's choose travel enthusiasts as the audience, select a bright and vibrant style, and set the platform to YouTube. Once that's done, click Generate Video and watch the AI work its magic. If you want the video to use your own voice, you can clone your voice using the built-in tool. Simply go to the Voices section under Plugins, click on Add Voice and follow the instructions. You'll need to upload an audio file of your voice reading a short permission statement. Within a few minutes, Invideo will create a clone of your voice, which you can then apply to any video. You must pay to use this. If you have the paid version, you can use this. One of the most exciting features is the ability to translate your video into other languages. Let's say I want to reach a Spanish-speaking audience. I can just type, translate the video to Spanish. Currently, Invideo supports over 55 languages, including French, German, Japanese, Hindi, and Brazilian Portuguese. Imagine being able to reach audiences all over the world without ever needing to speak those languages. If you want to customize your video further, you can manually edit any part. Click on the Edit tab, where you can change the script, swap out media clips, or adjust the music. Want to change the opening shot? Just type, start the video with a drone shot of Amsterdam and Invideo will automatically replace the existing clip with the new one. This intuitive editing feature allows anyone, even those without technical skills, to create stunning videos with ease. Now for the big question, can you monetize these videos on YouTube? Yes, you can. I've tested this myself and YouTube has no issues with videos generated using Invideo AI, as long as the content is original and engaging. One important tip, though, always use your own cloned voice or a unique AI voice that isn't used by hundreds of other channels. This helps you stand out and ensures you meet YouTube's content policies. With Invideo AI, you have a powerful tool at your disposal to create professional-grade videos in minutes. Whether you're a travel vlogger, a business owner, or a content creator looking to save time, Invideo AI can handle it all. From text prompts to complete monetizable videos, the possibilities are endless. That's all for today, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful. See you in the next video.